Hi, my name is Samek and this is my acquaintance.
I'm a Darsh.
We're going to be making a solar oven. So first you have to get all the ingredients. The next step is to grab the pizza box and to open it. The flap that's up is going to go onto the right side. Then we need a couple pieces of one piece of black construction paper and a marker. How as you color it. And now you have to trace around the black construction paper. Okay, so trace the black construction paper. After you've traced the square rectangle, you're going to need to cut this side, and this side. But this side has to stay not cut. After it's cut, we have to pop it up. So after it cuts, it should be able to close and have an opening like this. Next thing to do is to put plastic wrap on these edges so no air can come in. We don't have plastic wrap, so we're using a plastic bag. Gosh, can you cut this from two back like this? After you have a little plastic wrap, lay it over the hole and tape it. So the plastic wrap has to be airtight from the box. We ran out of tape, so we got some new ones. So after this is done, we need the tin foil and one black construction paper. We have to put this aside. Take a little bit of construction paper and lay the piece of tin foil and line it. Then after you lined it, we have to cut it. So can you cut it? Okay, cut it all the way from here. you have the square rectangle piece of tin foil, we have to tape it onto this flap. So you have to grab a little tape. After the tin foil is settled, we have to tape it on to the flap. Otherwise, you get the other side. Okay. After the tin foil is ready, we have to cover the bottom of the pizza box with black construction paper. Then we need one piece of tape. After the black construction papers is arranged, tape them in place so they don't move, like this. So after the four corners are stuck with, so after the newspaper is in place, tape them down so they don't move. So and then tape them down. So one side's done. After the newspaper is in place, it should look something like this. So it should be able to close. If it's not, you have to roll the papers up a little bit more. And it should be something like this. Then we need two chopsticks to keep them in place like this. So, a little bit of tape to keep the chopsticks in place. Okay, keep it. After the newspapers are installed, tape two chopsticks to the edge of a box so it stands up the tin foil flap. Then you're done. But before you do that step, place your s'mores here, and then close the box so it's nice and secure, and keep it like this. And you're done. After the solar oven is made, set up your graham crackers in a place where you can see them in the plastic wrap. So, but do not put only put one graham cracker so it looks like this, or they won't toast properly. So close the box nicely and steady, and see if you can see the graham crackers. In this case, yes, you can see all of them. So set it up and put it in the sun. After you find a nice place to keep the pizza box, keep it there for a couple of hours. It's going to take a little time. In the meanwhile, you can play video games or watch a little TV. So after the pizza box is outside for a while, check if it's the chocolate has melted. And ours has melted a lot. So take it, put a cap on it, and eat it.